Tech fam! Welcome back to Lara Tech, where I review the latest and greatest gadgets and technology. Today, I have a very exciting device to show you. I'm going to unbox and review the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 2024, the newest and most advanced foldable smartphone from the Korean giant. This is not just any smartphone. This is a revolutionary, versatile, and powerful device that will change the way you use your phone. Let's get started. Unboxing and first impressions. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 comes in a sleek and elegant black box that has the Samsung logo and the name of the device on the front. Inside the box, you'll find the following items. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 itself, wrapped in a protective film that has some instructions on how to use and care for the device. The first thing you'll notice about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is its stunning and futuristic design. The Z Fold 5 has a premium and durable build that uses a combination of metal and glass. The Z Fold 5 has a hinge that allows it to fold and unfold smoothly and securely, a 6.2-inch cover display that can be used when the device is folded, and a 7.6-inch main display that can be used when the device is unfolded. The cover display has a resolution of 2260x816 pixels, and the main display has a resolution of 2208x1768 pixels. Both displays are AMOLED and have a 120 Hz refresh rate, which means that they are bright, colorful, and smooth. The Z Fold 5 has a sleek and elegant profile, with minimal bezels and curves. The Z Fold 5 has a thickness of 6.9 millimeters when unfolded and 16 millimeters when folded. The Z Fold 5 has a weight of 282 grams, which is slightly heavier than most smartphones, but still manageable. Features and performance. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is not only a beautiful and innovative device, but also a powerful and versatile one. The Z Fold 5 is powered by a Snapdragon 888 processor, which is one of the most advanced and fastest processors on the market. The Z Fold 5 also has 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of internal storage, which can be expanded up to 1 terabyte with a microSD card. The Z Fold 5 also has a 4,500 mAh battery that can last for a whole day of moderate use and can be recharged wirelessly or with reverse wireless charging. The Z Fold 5 also has a lot of features that make the user experience more convenient and enjoyable. The Z Fold 5 has a stereo speaker system that delivers crisp and loud sound. The Z Fold 5 also has a Bluetooth 5.2 connection that supports multiple devices and a Wi-Fi 6 connection that supports faster and more stable internet. The Z Fold 5 also has a 5G connection that supports ultra-fast and low-latency data transfer. The Z Fold 5 also has an NFC connection that supports contactless payments and data sharing. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 2024 is a remarkable device that combines stunning design, powerful performance, and versatile features. The Z Fold 5 is a device that can transform from a smartphone to a tablet and offer different modes and functions depending on the user's needs and preferences. The Z Fold 5 is a device that can change the way you use your phone and offer a new and exciting experience. The Z Fold 5 is expected to launch in 2024 and will have a starting price of around $2,000. The Z Fold 5 is a device that you don't want to miss, so stay tuned for more updates and reviews. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more gadget and technology reviews. See you next time.